Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a classic Mexican dish that is called machaca con huevo a la mexicana. So I can give you the ingredients. For ingredients, we're gonna need the machaca. The machaca is the dry beef from Mexico. I mean, you can substitute with beef jerky, I guess. So this is a dry meat from the north of Mexico. You're gonna need about 3 ounces. Then 1 jalapeno diced. A quarter of onion diced too, you know, roughly diced, not perfectly diced. Some 1 tomato, same thing, diced. And also we're gonna need about 4 eggs and some oil, so I can give you the next step. So we're gonna need a saute pan, either a non-stick or a regular, and we're gonna put about 1 tablespoon of oil. Then we're gonna put the onions. We're just gonna barely cook them, okay? So about 1 minute or 2 until they start changing, you know, color, translucent. And then we're gonna come back and add the rest of the ingredients. Now that the onions start changing color, you're gonna add about 1 more tablespoon of oil. Okay, you're gonna put the rest of the meat. And since the meat is dry, you know, it's been dry, so it's gonna absorb all the oil. So we're gonna cook it for about 1 minute and a half or 2. Then we're gonna come back and add the rest of the ingredients. We're gonna add the chile, the jalapeno or the serrano, your choice, and the tomato, okay? Now we're gonna cook it for about 2 minutes, and we're gonna come back and show you the next step. Salt, pepper to taste, and we're gonna add the eggs. Okay, and we're just gonna let them cook for about, you know, 2 minutes or so. Then we're gonna come back and finish our dish. Okay, so when your eggs are ready, this is how they're gonna look like, you know, because of the meat. So now I have mine already served over here. And this one we serve it with flour tortillas, because we're from the north and we eat a lot of tortillas, you know, flour tortillas instead of the regular corn tortillas. So this is your final presentation on the machacado con huevo a la mexicana. And hopefully you guys like this recipe. This is one of my first recipes that I cooked with my parents in Mexico. Since, you know, all of you guys know, I've been cooking for about more than 25 years. And I grew up in the restaurant, you know, in the restaurant business with my parents. They started working since 1985 in Mexico in the restaurant business to now. So this is one of my first, you know, dishes that I make with my parents in Mexico, and I just want to dedicate this dish for them and tell them, you know, thank you for everything, for teaching me. And hopefully you guys like this recipe and this idea, and this is how we make, you know, the machaca con huevo, and this is how we eat it in Mexico, like this. Okay, so hopefully you guys enjoy it and like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Enjoy.